Welcome everyone to Bobbo's Unboxing, this time on Bobbo's YouTube channel. We're going to unbox two products that I've never unboxed before. Football Collector's Edge and 2023 Artistry Premium Pack. Look for the game's hottest rookies and stars. So let's go with this first because I'm intrigued by this, so I want to save it to last. Let's go with this. See if I can open it. All right. Let's see. 2 factory sealed pack, 1 card. Oh, 1 loose card. That's weird. Zach Wilson, loose. Wild card. Wild card matte. I don't know. I've never done this product before. Collector's Edition 2022 Sage Football. Didn't it say 2023? Oh, maybe not. Alright. Sage Football Low Series. 5 cards per pack. Numbered 1 through 75. Contents subject to change. The hobby's first micro printer. Interesting. Doesn't say anything about like parallels and stuff that you can get. So let's figure it out. All right, Spencer Rattler. He's with the Saints, right? Quarterback. Okay. Treylon Burks. Ronnie Rivers. These look like college. Yeah. Fresno State. Owen Pappo. Auburn. Top-rated linebacker coming out of high school. Shamar Thornton. Florida International University. All right, this is 2023 Artistry Premium Pack. 10 cards per pack. This says, this pack contains 10 2023 Sage Artistry packs. Oh, wait, these were numbered? Yeah, 51. I didn't see the numbered. This including an exclusive green level parallels and a canvas card. And look for randomly inserted autograph cards. Okay. Zaire Barnes. Jets. Diane Henley. LA Chargers. Ronnie Hickman from Cleveland. Christian Isian. He went to Tampa Bay Bucks. Nick Hampton. He went to the LA Rams. Noah Gindorf. He went to Seattle. Hassan Hall went to Cleveland. Bryce Young, I know him. He went to Carolina. Troy Franklin went to doesn't say. Okay. Every other card said. Jason Junkie. All right, that's that. I've never opened this pack before. I guess they're okay. All right, let's move on to Football Collector's Edge. Both of these are from, 3 of these are from Walgreens, so you can't expect much. This package contains randomly inserted football cards, packs, parallels, autographs, and more. Distributed by Fearfield. Look for randomly inserted cards, packs, parallels, autographs, and more. 1 in 4 contain a hit. Wonder what the hit is. Alrighty, let's go. There's some loose cards. There's a pack with just a plastic thing on it, and then an actual pack. Let's go through these. Nate Lewis. That looks old. 1991. Antonio Gates. Sweet. Joel Schminged. David Pollock. Andy Heck. What the heck, Andy Heck? Rashawn Gary. TJ Watt. Jared Goff. They're playing awesome right now. Jackie Harris. Randall Hill. Randall Grimes. Ooh, an autograph. Randall Grimes. Who is this guy? Weber State University. Leave in the comments. Is he any good? Tony Baselli. Jonathan Greenard. David Njoku. Trey Lance. Ooh, this is a cool card. Kenny Nwangu from the Vikings. Let's see. Bobby Ingram. Giants, Kerry Collins. If anybody sees anything that's worth anything, let me know. Gil Bird. Some of these guys, I have no idea who they are. Jamal Williams. Detroit. They're playing so good right now. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Tyler Higbee. Keith Millard. NFL 5. I don't know what that is. John Elway. Sweet. Julio Jones. Cameron Hayward. Ooh, this is cool. 5-star Barry Sanders, 1997 MVP. That's a nice card. Madre London. Jamari Thrash. Troy Franklin. Gardner Minshew the second. Devontae Adams. I think I have that card, actually. Devonta Smith. Luke Schoonmaker. Gerald McCoy. Teddy Bridgewater. Is he still on the league? Demarius Thomas. Robert Woods. Good name. DeMarcus Lawrence. And Debo Samuel. No Patriots. Come on. All right, let's open the next pack. So we got one autograph and a couple of parallels. That's pretty good. I don't know if the autograph's any good. I've never heard of the guy. Okay, Damone Clark. Arnold Ebekete. Sure. Myjai Sanders. I don't know if I'm saying this stuff right. Kenny Pickett. That's easy. Jalen Tolbert. Brees Hall. Ronnie Rivers. Chad Muma. Muma? Treston Ebner. Kenny Pickett. Is that the same card? Abram Smith. Excuse me. Bijan Robinson. I know him. Ronnie Bell. And Kevin Harris. And one more pack to go for football. All right. Jerome Ford. Kalen Barnes. Next level, Justin Ross. I'm going to have Griffith look these over. I don't know college players. Jalen Tolbert. Drake London. And that'll do it for the football packs. Not bad. I got an autograph. A couple of, what do you call it? Parallels. So if you know of anything in this video that's worth anything, let me know down below. Please like, comment, share, and hit that bell icon so you know when a new video is coming out. Check out our nonprofit at sweetsadie.org. We are doing our annual scholarship, so give to that. And then I'm at some point gonna do an event down here. I think I'm gonna do the 5K down here, so look out for that. And that's it. Have a good day. Peace.